Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings. You will go to settings here. In this first page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of DeepSeek and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.